Recording. Okay, good morning. This is a quick screencast of my measurement software. So we just go into Thesis version 6, run this guy, Express, and wait for the solution to build. Okay, so here we are. Let's run, which I think I've done. And do it again. Let's run. Yeah, there we go. Minimize this and start up. Okay, so this is my main work area. I've got your tool strip and your menus. We'll just open up a CAD file first. These are DXF files. So open. We'll choose a file that it's kind of a test file. It's one that I made in AutoCAD and that I know the measurements to. So it just makes it easy to make sure everything's working correctly. So I've just got a circle, a larger square, and a square that's exactly half the side length of the square within which it's placed. So that's open. Now we can set a scale or calibrate the drawing by clicking this button here. We drag and stretch, drop, put in a length of the line, click OK, and now the drawing is calibrated, and we can use the polygon editor, which is this button, to draw polygons. In a house drawing, it would be to rooms. You draw the polygons within rooms. The data bar appears here. This is just your cumulative data and build options. So we'll draw a quick. We'll get rid of that. Holding down the control key allows you to zoom in like this. Letting go then brings back the polygon builder, just for accuracy. And there and there. Now I know that should be perfect square. We've set scale at 1 for this, so that should be 1 by 1. It's an area of 1. The height in there. So first of all, we'll just enter ceilings and choose a ceiling option. So we'll go for C1. So the tooltip says Screwfix 12.5mm standard plasterboard to ceiling joists, tape joint and skim finish. That's 2050. The next one is Screwfix 2 number 12.5mm standard plasterboards to ceiling joists, tape joint and skim finished. And the third is Screwfix a 12.5mm foil back plasterboard to ceiling joist, tape joint and skim finish. Let's go for the foil back. We don't need a height because these are ceilings we're talking about, and we'll log that data. So you can see that the interior area of that ceiling is 1, the rate is 2250, the cost is 2265. Let's log that there. Now let's look at the external walls. So we click line select up here. We remove these internal walls. These two here left remaining walls in red are external. So we go here, click exterior, and we choose an option. Let's go for E1, which is an 80mm high density plasterboard mechanically fixed to blockwork with a skim finish. Now we're going to need a height because it's a wall. Let's go for a normal standard height of 2.4. Right click the screen or click this refresh button that updates the data bar with the new rate and height. So our rate is 5550, the height is 2.4, and the perimeter is 2 because it's only these two walls only. These walls are interior, we didn't include them. We took them out using the line select. The perimeter by height is 4.8 meters squared, and the interior area is 1.007, but it doesn't matter when we're talking about the walls, so it won't be included in the log data when we do log it. The total rate is this 4.8 meters squared by 5550, which is 267.39 euros. That's how much our two external walls are going to cost us. Click log. We can see now that we've two items logged to our data. We did the ceilings earlier and the external walls. And finally we'll do two internal walls. So we remove these external walls. We're left with these two internals. We'll choose an interior wall and choose an option. Let's go for the I3, which is Screwfix 12.5mm standard plasterboard to an existing timber stud partition, tape joint and skim finish. Nice cheap option, 1850. 4.8 meters squared again. 8911, and let's save that. So so that's it. You can see I truncated a lot of these figures, just rounded them off to 3 decimal places. I need to do that with the singular, linear meter, and area boxes as well. I don't think there's any need to do it with the X and Y, because that will, I just don't think there's a need to do it with that. So let me see. So there we go. We've logged those 3 sets of data. We'll bring up a data grid to show those 3. So there's the data grid and a list of the 3. Now we can click this visualize button, and it shows us those 3 measured lists, those 3 measured items. So we're on item 1, which is this square box, which is the ceiling. I still have to introduce an opaque effect for ceilings. Click this plus, we go to item 2, which is the exterior walls, 5550, and there they are, the 2 exterior walls. Hit this, and we go to the third option. There we go, third option. It's in our list as the third option too. There's the 2 interior walls, 1850, 4.8 meters squared, 8911. Now if we switch off this visual mode, we return to where we were in our working mode. So there's our polygon as it was. There it is, still with the same scale set. Perimeter, 2.4, 9.6, blah blah blah. Yeah. It has reset now because we chose the interior walls, so all 4 walls of our polygon are selected. The rate we were using at our before we entered visual mode is still selected. So that's interior wall 1850, and we can reset the polygons like that. That goes back to that kind of state there, and that's it. We can open and save measurements. I'm not going to save. Let's open one I did yesterday, which is 1B 6 measures. So you can see that the data grid has 6 measurements, and I'll just have a quick look at them. So we enter visual mode. There's an interior wall. There's zoom out. There's an exterior wall. Another set of interior walls. That's a ceiling. Another ceiling. And another set of exterior walls. Exit that. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.